Hi there everyone, welcome to DM Car Reviews. Today we're driving a 2001 Chrysler PT Cruiser on the channel. Let's fire up. So you can see this is a very affordable car, under $2,000. It's got 213,000 miles on the odometer. Let's go take a look outside. This is actually my first time driving a PT Cruiser ever. And this is a pretty rare car. You don't really see a lot of them out there. At least I sure haven't seen many in my area. It's got a lot of chrome trim. I don't know if that's factory or not. Apparently it's some kind of limited version. All right, let's check out the rear seats. So I'm 6'2", and it feels extremely tight right here. I can't even put my legs here in the center. We also have the owner's manual or the repair manual. All right, let's go check out the trunk. I guess like this, that's how you open it. Yep. Even got a cargo cover. Here's the badge. I guess it's a pretty small trunk, but you can still fit some stuff in there. And then if you fold the rear seats, you can probably use this for carrying around your suitcases, luggage. Now this is going to be a question how to open this. I think I found it. Nope. There we go. Up, come on. Almost there. There we go. Not sure what the engine here is. It says it's a 16 valve. I'm guessing inside like a 1.8 or 2.0. Maybe actually 2.4. I'll have to look at the specs. But let's hop inside this PT Cruiser. Ugh. Yeah, the AC here is not really doing anything at the moment, so we even have a sunroof. Nice. Kenwood audio system. Of course, it's aftermarket. Let's go to drive. Let's do a wiper washer test. Everything works. Alrighty. Let's go. Surprisingly, for an $1,800 car, it actually runs pretty good from what I'm feeling. You know, the brakes are not bad. They actually engage, knock on wood. But yeah, it's an interesting car. It's got a very interesting cabin design. It's pretty cozy, I would say. But let's punch her. You know, the acceleration isn't bad. It's actually quite decent for especially a car like this. I do have to keep the windows open a little bit. It is really hot in this car. I actually enjoy driving it more than I thought I would. Handling isn't bad. I don't think there's a point in running the AC. It just doesn't work. it's tricky. Once you're climbing a little hill and you're trying to go quick, it doesn't like that. I would say up till 60, 70, the power here isn't bad. Part about this car is that you can actually daily it really comfortably, just on like normal commutes, you know, for under 2,000 bucks. Like, this is really awesome, I feel like. Of course, you know, it has its ups and downs. It may not have the perfect AC. It may have its little issues here and there, but the engine seems to run really healthy. The transmission is smooth. You know, it drives nice. I guess the AC issue can be resolved. Not bad at all. Not bad. Gosh, is it hot without the air conditioner in 100-degree weather. Three, two, one. Did 0 to 60 in 11.72 seconds. Valid. Not bad for a almost 100-degree day in 11.67 here. 0 to 62, 12.37, and the 1/8 mile at 11.82 at 60.37. Not bad. Not bad at all. know, surprisingly, this is a really neat ride. I like it, especially for this money. I mean, what else can you ask for? And the crazy part, it still has some decent get up and go, like even in this weather. You know, you want to go 60, 70, 80, it will do that, no problem. It's definitely to the quicker spectrum of the cars for this price and age that I've seen, because a lot of them are like the 12, 13 second 0 to 60 range. Now, this is neat. It's nice. Well, this summarizes the test drive for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. Definitely let me know your thoughts down in the comments about what you think about this PT Cruiser. Would you buy one for under $2,000 in this condition with these miles? Would you want to daily it to go to, you know, from A to B? But, you know, I actually really enjoyed this car. I thought it was fun. It's better than I thought. Let's just say that. But make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and till next time.